and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally getting my hands on my van and I'm going to wash it clean. And by the way, my name is Veronica, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to see the progress of the way I'll be doing my van and recreating it. So let's now get to the van. You ready? There we go. So this is how it looks like at the moment. You can see here that it's like very dirty. I can literally, well, I can't even draw a smiley face on here because it's just like stuck and very dirty. Gonna need to power wash that. The wheels are all rusty. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the wheels today or not, but they are rusty. And I'm gonna have to do something about that. Everything's dirty here. So this is the before. These are all green and moldy looking. There it's like also green and moldy looking. Like, look at that. Isn't that disgusting? So yeah, that's it. By the way, this van has 2 keys. It has power doors. And this key, I don't know why there's like this car picture on it for some reason. I mean, it's a van, it's not a car, but yeah, whatever. But it also works for the van. Let's see. So, unlock. There. You can hear a little bit of the sound. And then lock. And then it's locked. Also, it got a new battery in there. My boss installed a new battery. If I can open this. Okay, I'm not gonna open that because it's kind of heavy right now and uncomfortable to open. So, this is how it looks like right now. So, let's get to washing. Okay, so this is the power washer I'm gonna use. First, I'm gonna put a little bit of water in there. Washing stuff, I think for, I don't know, special for cars. Just dump it all in there. Okay. So first thing, you want to make the van wet. So we gotta turn this thing on and make it all wet so we can easily wash it. Maybe you're a fool, don't need to be. So, as you can see, I already started washing without you a little bit, but this is the process how you do it. You dump it in, obviously, and then you just wash it. It's that simple. I will last on my own. Don't leave me alone, girl. I will last on my own. Just leave me alone. These smaller areas, I'm gonna wash with a smaller sponge because this big one doesn't get in there. But it will be clean too. I don't mean to be rude, but maybe you're a loser. Maybe you're a fool and a loser. I don't mean to be crude, but maybe if you give a fuck, oh, you'd have better luck. I can't tell. I can't tell. I can't tell. these panels, and it really easily comes off with that mixture I made. So it is cleanable, and that's really cool. How to wash these now. I think you just need more pressure or something. We'll take that. Maybe you're a loser, maybe you're a fool. Don't mean to be cruel. Maybe if you give a fuck, no, you're better luck. I can't tell. I can't tell. That looks fine for me. Except the top part. Leave me alone. Okay, now we're gonna take the power washer again and power wash that stuff off. Lost on my own. Listen, leave me alone. Oh, lost on my own. Don't leave me alone, girl. I'm finally finished washing the van, and look how clean it is now. There's no more green stuff on the panels. It is a bit rusty, but I'm going to get rid of that too. I'm not sure how yet. Other than that, it's much cleaner. It's like all white. Just look at this whiteness here. And you can see that this is silver. Nice and clean. Oh, hello there. So, this wraps up today's video, washing the van. My next video will be painting it. So stay tuned for that, and make sure you subscribe to see my future videos of making this van a beauty. Bye!